All right, so welcome to New Mexico Desert Classics. I'm in the garage tonight with Luigi, who hasn't gotten much love lately. But I want to tell you about one of the coolest things of getting a new project. We're working on that 87 Westy. The coolest thing about a new project is getting to spend money on cool project parts, right? So I was going to spend about $1,000 on some suspension for my BMW M Roadster. That money's not going to the Beamer. I've been all over Go Westy, Van Cafe, and the Bus Depot. We've got a pop-top canvas tent coming. We've got a carpet kit coming. We've got a shifter extension coming. So none of those companies sponsor us, but you know, if you want to, we'll accept anything you want to send us. It's an 87, 2.1, all of those good things. But I'm just super stoked. We're going to try and shoot some how-to videos on installing all those things, you know, getting that shifter location from that awkward down here to up here, thanks to Go Westy. So just like, follow, subscribe, all the platform things with all their unique names, do all the things, and especially that notify function if you're on YouTube so that you can see all the videos that we have coming up. So I'm going to show you a couple pictures of what we've got on order, and then we've got some other cheaper stuff from Amazon that we've got on order. We're going to slap it all in the next couple weeks as we try and get this project rolling. So thanks again from New Mexico Desert Classics. Give us a like, subscribe, follow, do all the things, and we hope to see you in the future. Thanks. Hey, I'm glad you're still here. So we ordered some stickers for New Mexico Desert Classics. You'll see what they look like shortly. If you want one, we'll figure out a way to get you one. Hit us up with a comment or a message somehow, and we'll work out all the details. So thanks for hanging around to the end of the video.